All right, guys, look what I got here. Another toy, another thing to play with. It's an Android box. It's one of the best Android boxes in the market. I'm going to show you why, show you how to use it right now. All right, so let's get right into it. So out of the box, this is the remote that you get right here. It is extremely limited what you can do with this remote. I'll just say that right off the bat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you on the gyro pad that I did another video for. It's just so much easier, for example, Netflix and some of the other apps to maneuver around with the mouse. It's just not as good as something like a gyro pad where you can just move your cursor on the pad or use this and have a full QWERTY keyboard. So it's just much better. So I have a video on that if you want to get one. They're very affordable, and if you're going to get a box like this, you really want a pad like this anyway to control your device. So I'm going to use this, that's okay with you guys, instead of this remote. But this is what comes with it out of the box, and it does work, but just not with all of the apps that you're going to want to use. So this is what the screen looks like right here. So right out of the box, factory installed, haven't done anything to it, just powered it on. You've got, on the main screen, you've got YouTube, Google Play Store, you've got My Apps browser, and then you've got the screen mirroring, music if you have any media, and then of course settings, and then at the top, you can see your Wi-Fi and different things that are connected to it. I don't have anything externally connected, whether it was a memory card or an extra hard drive, nothing like that. And then the Clean Master. So let me just show you really quick a couple of these things. So this is really cool. So when you click this right here, it automatically, boom, cleans your system, gets rid of all the background apps. I cleared 28 processes just from me playing with it and 247 megabytes. On the Fire Stick, you have to do additional program and you have to close them manually. Here, it's automatic, which is great. So let's look at the specs of this box and see if it's better than, say, a Fire Stick. All right, so let's go into settings here, and we're gonna head over to device about. Let's look at it here. So it is an Android version 9, and there's the latest update right there. So let's go ahead and head back here really quick, and let's go to storage, because that's a big reason why a lot of people like Android boxes. So let's go down to storage here. All right, so this box here has 64 gigabytes. I know they have a 32 gigabyte version as well. The one I'm using today is 64 gigabytes and then 4 gig of memory. How many gigs of space does your Fire Stick have, or even your Fire Cube? Even if you add additional storage to it, right out of the box, you don't get 64 gigabytes, and it's not gonna be as fast as something like this. So right out of the box, you get that. And then on the unit itself, you have multiple ports. I don't know if you can see that, to where you just plug a thumb drive or an external drive in, and just like that, you're able to transfer. And I'll show you really quick how to do that. So if you go over here to the file manager right here, if you connect another drive, it's gonna show all of the drives, and you literally can just take your information and transfer it right over. So easy. So that's kind of a cool feature of this. So let's look at this really quick here. If you go down to the bottom, these are called hot shortcuts. So on this particular unit, right out of the box, it comes with Netflix, YouTube, Aptoid TV, which I have videos on. It's a full app store. It's great. Prime Video, and then Kodi Player. So you can actually open this up and do your own add-ons to Kodi, which is pretty cool. And it's version 18.2 Leia, and it's already built into this, which is great. So if you're a Kodi lover, this is a really cool option for you as well. Of course, you'll have to add those add-ons. So then you've got down here, if you want to add additional shortcuts, just hit the plus and you're going to see everything that's on here for a shortcut. You don't need cleanup because it's already built into your homepage. But if you want to add more, let's say you add more apps, they'll all be listed here, and then you can put those down there. Whatever app it is that maybe you watch one of my videos and you want to have Cinema HD on here or something like that. All right, so, and that could be a hot button right here. And then you got the Google Play Store. You have a regular browser here, your My Apps. If you click at My Apps, these are the ones built into the system. Quite a bit of options here. You've got the Air Screen and you've got the Mirror Cast. So if you have an Android device or you have an iPhone, you can now cast your phone right to your screen. So whatever you're watching on your phone or you want to show somebody, you can send it right to your TV, which is pretty cool. And then you have the Aptoid TV. If you open that up, there's just a ton of apps on there. And then you've got the browser, and then you have, of course, Cleanup, File Manager, all down here. Netflix is built in. It's a different version of Netflix. And the thing about the Netflix here and the YouTube is it's going to be different, as well as Prime. It has Prime built in, but they're going to be different versions. They're going to be modded versions that work with this, and that's one of the reasons why this remote just doesn't work very good. It does have a little mouse button, and you can kind of move it around, but get an air mouse. Get something like this where you can just use your finger and then you can just click on something. Just super, super easy. So, or you can just move around the screen with that. And then you've got the full keyboard anyway. It's worth it. And it's backlit, so at night you can see the keys as well. And then you got music, you got the Kodi Player, Google Play Store, Prime, so forth and so forth. So let's test it out. Let's see how the quality of the video is. Let's open up YouTube. We're going to open up a 4K video, and let's see if it really is 4K as they advertise. All right, so initial load, I can already tell it's really, really good. I mean, its transition's pretty good. The quality and the detail over here is really impressive. So it looks like it does actually play 4K pretty good. So that's a good thing. I know they advertise 4K. It even says 6K on the box. Maybe it's prepared for that processor-wise. I'm not sure, but right now it runs 4K really, really good. So I do like that. All right, so let's just say, for example, you want to add a third-party app to here. There's a couple things you can do. You can do it in the Aptoide store, and I have a lot of videos that share Aptoide TV downloads or apps that you can add. But the easiest way is, let's say, for example, I'm showing you how to do Zenny TV, which is an app that I brought to you recently. Really easy to do it, but you need to have your settings set right, and you can actually download it directly from Chrome browser, which is really nice. Let me show you how to do it really quick. Head on down to Settings. This is where everything is going to be. If you head over here to Apps, Notifications, Permissions, right here, you have to click that. Anytime you add a new app, you'll need to do this. Head down to, let's just see all apps. And then you're going to head to Chrome, because Chrome is where what I'm going to use to download. You'll also want to do Aptoide TV and the Google Play Store as well. But I'm going to show you where it's at. So if you click on Chrome, head down here all the way to the bottom where it says Install Unknown Apps. That needs to be on right here. Now the default on all the boxes is off, so you'll need to turn it on. Once you've done that, now you can go to any website and download anything directly onto your device from Chrome, which is wonderful, guys. It makes it very easy, a whole lot easier than it is on the Fire Stick. Although I've done videos to make it seem very easy on a Fire Stick, there is some finagling at times to make it work, whereas on here you don't have to. These TV boxes are really designed for entertainment purposes. You can play games on here. If you get a gyro pad like this, you can, but you can play movies, TV in 4K. It works really good. This box here is just one that that I got because I wanted a good, reliable box, something super, super fast that I could just play movies, that I can just play TV, that I can just use and not have to worry about it. I have a different Android box at every single room in my house. I like to try them. I like to test them. And if I like it, something like the MX10 Pro, I bring it to you. I hope you liked the video, guys. Just a quick video here. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And as I do with all my videos, if you hit the thumbs up and you comment down below and you make sure you're subscribed to my channel, I give away everything in all my videos. So I'm actually going to give away this box here. I'm going to program it. I'm going to add a whole bunch of stuff to it. I'm going to make it tip-top shape, ready to go, out of the box, live TV, live movies, everything built into it, to one subscriber that gives me a thumbs up and gives me a comment down below. And of course, to subscribe to my channel, I'll be doing a drawing. Once this video hits 1,000 likes, you're gonna get it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, it's just a basic system. Pretty much all Android boxes have a very similar look to them. It's just a matter of how much storage does it have, how fast is the processor, how much RAM does it have, and how easy is it to use. And this one passes all the tests. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye. I just want to give a big thank you to those of you that took time out of your day to watch this video. If you'll do us a huge favor, if you haven't already done so, just hit that subscribe button right next door. And if you like this video and you want to see more, we have a video on the far side there we think you're going to love. Thanks again for watching our video. Bye.